number one vitamin for liver repair, choline. The health benefits of choline to repair your liver. Your liver is the largest organ in your body, and filters out 1.4 liters of blood every minute. Unfortunately, due to the modern lifestyle, over 25% of Americans suffer with fatty liver disease. This is a condition where our liver becomes clogged up with fatty tissue, and starts to affect how the organ works. If you have belly fat, for example, this means that your liver contains too much fat, and it's starting to spill over into your gut. A fatty liver can make you gain weight, raise your blood pressure, raise the risk of heart attacks, strokes, and liver cirrhosis over the long term. Luckily, the liver is able to completely heal and regenerate as long as you help it along by eating the right foods. There is a nutrient called choline, which is essential for the liver. Choline is a B vitamin which helps your liver to produce bile, a substance that breaks down fat, and helps you eliminate it from your body. So, getting more choline in your diet can help to reverse fatty liver disease and heal existing damage, by supporting natural liver function. Adult women need around 425 milligrams of choline each day, 450 milligrams when pregnant, and 550 milligrams when breastfeeding. Men need an average of 500 milligrams per day. You can get choline from eating the following foods. 1. Pasture-raised eggs. 2. Beef. 3. Organ meats. 4. Chicken breast. 5. Cod. 6. Kidney beans. You can take it as a supplement, if you wish to really help clean out your liver. It's also important to have a healthy digestive system in order to absorb choline. So if you have any existing damage, you may need to also eat fermented foods like sauerkraut to support the friendly microbes in your gut. Dear friends, if you want to know about the medicinal plant, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for new medicinal plant video notification.